CIET NCERT presents audiobook of Geography for Class 6 entitled The Earth and Our Habitat. This is the lesson number 8, India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. From page number 56 to page number 64. Let's listen to the lesson number 8, India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. Page number 56. You read in newspapers daily and watch on TV or hear others talking about weather. You must know that weather is about day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall and sunshine, etc. For example, as such it may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calm. You must have noticed that when it is hot continuously for several days, you don't need any warm clothing. You also like to eat or drink cold things. In contrast, there are days together, you feel cold without woolen clothes when it is very windy and chilly. You would like to have something hot to eat. Broadly, the major seasons recognized in India are cold weather season, that is winter, December to February, hot weather season, that is summer, from March to May, southwest monsoon season, that is rainy, that is June to September, season of retreating monsoon, that is autumn, October and November. Cold weather season or winter. During the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly on the region. As a result, the temperatures are quite low in northern India. Hot weather season or summer. In the hot weather season, sun rays more or less directly fall in this region. Temperature becomes very high. Hot and dry winds called loo blow during the day. Page number 57. Let's have fun. 1. People in all parts of our country drink delicious cool drinks called sharbat, made from fruits available in their regions. They are excellent thirst quenchers and protect our bodies from the ill effect of the harsh loo. Have you tried sharbat made from raw mango, bale, lemon, tamarind, kokum, falsa, watermelon and buttermilk made from curds? For example, chach, matta, mori, chash, etc. Many make banana and mango milkshakes too. 2. After a hot summer, the first rains bring much joy. All our languages have melodious songs on rains. They sound happy and bring cheer. Learn 2 songs on rains and sing them together. Write or collect 5 poems on rains. Ask your friends, neighbors and family members for names for rains and other seasons in different languages. For instance, Varsha in Hindi, Barish in Urdu, Pous in Marathi, Borsha in Bengali. Southwest monsoon season or rainy season. This season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon. The winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountain barriers, rainfall occurs. Season of retreating monsoons or autumn. Winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. This is the season of the retreating monsoons. The southern parts of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. However, the climate is about the average weather condition, which have been measured over many years. The climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mausam, which means seasons. Due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. Agriculture in India is dependent on rains. Good monsoons mean adequate rain and a bountiful crop. What would happen if monsoons were weak or even worse, failed to occur one year? Tick the correct answer. Crops will be affected or not affected. The level of the water in a well will come up or go down. Summer will be longer or shorter. Page number 58. The climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. They are neither too hot nor too cold. Being on the coast, these places are very humid. Mausandram in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall. While in a particular year, it might not rain at all in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Let's do. On a map of India, locate the places mentioned in the paragraph. Natural vegetation. We see a variety of plant life in our surroundings. How nice it is to play in a field with green grasses. There are also small plants called bushes and shrubs like cactus and flowering plants, etc. Besides, there are many tall trees, some with many branches and leaves like neem, mango, or some which stand with few leaves such as palm. The grasses, shrubs and trees which grow on their own without interference or help from human beings are called natural vegetation. Do you wonder how these differ from each other? Different types of natural vegetation are dependent on different climatic conditions, among which the amount of rainfall is very important. Due to varied climatic conditions, India has a wide range of natural vegetation. Why are forests necessary? Forests are very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plants release oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. The roots of the plants bind the soil, thus they control soil erosion. Forests provide us with timber for furniture, fuel wood, fodder, medicinal plants and herbs, lac, honey, gum, etc. Figure 8.1 shows tropical rainforests. We also see a diagram wherein we see a ground layer. Shrubs layer is at 1.5 meters. 5 meters, we have young trees. 20 meters, we have canopy. 40 meters. Emergent layer. Maximum height, about 60 meters. Page number 59. Forests are the natural habitat of wildlife. Natural vegetation has been destroyed to a large extent because of the reckless cutting of trees. We should plant more trees and protect the existing ones and make people aware of the importance of trees. We can have special programs like Van Mahotsav to involve more people in making our earth green. Leela's parents planted a sapling of neem to celebrate her birth. On each birthday, a different sapling was planted. It was watered regularly and protected from severe heat, cold, and animals. Children took care not to harm it. When Leela was 20, 21 beautiful trees stood in and around her house. Birds built their nests on them. Flowers bloomed. Butterflies fluttered around them. Children enjoyed their fruits, swung on their branches, and played in their shade. Figure 8.2 shows what we get from forests. Soil binding, rubber, timber, natural habitat for wildlife, gum and lac, fruits, honey, oxygen, medicines, shelter, fodder, fuel, sports goods, furniture. Wildlife. Forests are home to a variety of wildlife. There are thousands of species of animals and a large variety of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects, and worms which dwell in the forest. Page number 60. The tiger is our national animal. It is found in various parts of the country. Gir forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. Elephants and one-horned rhinoceroses roam in the forests of Assam. Elephants are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camels and wild asses are found in the Great Indian Desert and the Run of Kutch respectively. Wild goats, snow leopards, bears, etc. are found in the Himalayan region. Besides these, many other animals are found in our country such as monkey, wolf, jackal, nilgai, cheetal, etc. India is equally rich in bird life. The peacock is our national bird. Other common birds are parrots, pigeons, mayna, geese, bulbul, and ducks. There are several bird sanctuaries which have been created to give birds their natural habitat. These provide the birds protection from hunters. Can you name 5 birds that are commonly found in your area? There are several hundreds of species of snakes found in India. Cobras and krites are important among them. Due to cutting of forests and hunting, several species of wildlife of India are declining rapidly. Many species have already become extinct. In order to protect them, many national parks, sanctuaries and biosphere reserves have been set up. Page number 61. The government has also started Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals. Can you name some wildlife sanctuaries of India and locate them on a map? You can also contribute in conserving wildlife. You can refuse to buy things made from parts of the bodies of animals such as their bones, horns, fur, skins and feathers. Every year we observe Wildlife Week in the first week of October to create awareness of conserving the habitats of the animal kingdom. Why do poachers kill tigers? What will happen if tigers vanish from our forests? Have you ever visited any tiger reserves or a zoo where tigers are kept? All these questions have been asked in Figure 8.4. Migratory birds. Some birds such as pin-tailed duck, curlews, flamingo, osprey, and little stint migrate to our country in winter season every year. Smallest migratory bird, little stint, weighing as low as 15 gram, from Arctic region travel over 8,000 kilometers to reach India. Page number 62. Exercises. 1. Answer the following questions briefly. A. Which winds bring rainfall in India? Why is it so important? B. Name the different seasons in India. C. What is natural vegetation? 2. Tick the correct answers. A. The world's highest rainfall occurs in 1. Mumbai. 2. Asansol. 3. Mawsynram. B. Wild goats and snow leopards are found in 1. Himalayan region. 2. Peninsular region. 3. Gir forests. C. During the southwest monsoon period, the moisture-laden winds blow from 1. Land to sea. 2. Sea to land. 3. Plateau to plains. 3. Fill in the blanks. A. Hot and dry winds known as dash blow during the day in the summers. B. The states of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu receive a great amount of rainfall during the season of dash. C. Dash forest in Gujarat is the home of dash. For fun. 1. Make a list of trees in your neighborhood and collect pictures of plants, animals and birds and paste them in your copy. 2. Plant a sapling near your home and nurture it and write down the changes you observe for a few months. 3. Does any migratory bird come in your locality? Try to identify that. Be watchful in the winter season. 4. Visit a zoo in your city or visit a nearby forest or sanctuary with your elders. Look carefully at the various types of wildlife there. Page number 63. Appendix 1. State and Union Territories of India. State, Andhra Pradesh. Capital, Hyderabad. Union Territory, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Capital, Port Blair. State, Arunachal Pradesh. Capital, Itanagar. Union Territory, Chandigarh. Capital, Chandigarh. State, Assam. Capital, Dispur. Union Territory, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Capital, Silvassa. State, Bihar. Capital, Patna. Union Territory, Daman and Diu. Capital, Daman. State, Chhattisgarh. Capital, Raipur. Union Territory, Lakshadweep. Capital, Kavaratti. State, Goa. Capital, Panaji. Union Territory, Puducherry. Capital, Puducherry. State, Gujarat. Capital, Gandhinagar. Union Territory, National Capital, Territory of Delhi. Capital, Delhi. State, Haryana. Capital, Chandigarh. Union Territory, Jammu and Kashmir. Capital, Srinagar. State, Himachal Pradesh. Capital, Shimla. Union Territory, Ladakh. Capital, Leh. State, Jharkhand. Capital, Ranchi. State, Karnataka. Capital, Bangalore. State, Kerala. Capital, Thiruvananthapuram. State, Madhya Pradesh. Capital, Bhopal. State, Maharashtra. Capital, Mumbai. State, Manipur. Capital, Imphal. State, Meghalaya. Capital, Shillong. State, Mizoram. Capital, Aizawl. State, Nagaland. Capital, Kohima. State, Odisha. Capital, Bhubaneswar. State, Punjab. Capital, Chandigarh. State, Rajasthan. Capital, Jaipur. State, Sikkim. Capital, Gangtok. State, Tamil Nadu. Capital, Chennai. State, Telangana. Capital, Hyderabad. State, Uttarakhand. Capital, Dehradun. State, Uttar Pradesh. Capital, Lucknow. State, Tripura. Capital, Agartala. State, West Bengal. Capital, Kolkata. Page number 64. Appendix 2. Some internet sources for more information. http://volcanoes.usgs.gov/